Found yourself staring at the ceiling at 3 in the morning, wrestling with the desire to drift off into the land of dreams? And have you ever wondered why sleep, or the lack of it, has such a profound impact on how you feel and function? Dive into the realm of sleep, a nightly journey that plays a vital role in the body's ability to heal and restore itself. This journey is divided into several stages, each with its own unique characteristics and functions. The first stage is light sleep, the door through which we enter the realm of dreams. Here, brain waves start to slow down, setting the stage for deeper sleep. Next comes deep sleep, the most restorative stage of all. This is where the magic happens. The body focuses on physical restoration, muscle growth, and the release of growth hormones. It's like a nightly maintenance check to keep the body in optimal condition. Then we enter the world of REM, or rapid eye movement sleep. This is where dreams come to life. When the journey through these stages is complete, the body wakes up refreshed, alert, and ready to tackle whatever the day has in store. But what happens when that journey is cut short or disrupted? Sleep deprivation, whether due to stress, lifestyle factors, or sleep disorders, can have serious consequences for health. It's more than just feeling groggy or irritable. Lack of sleep has been linked to a weakened immune system, an increased risk of chronic diseases like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease, and even impaired cognitive function. It's like running a car without ever changing the oil or performing routine maintenance. So, how can we ensure that we're getting the quality sleep our bodies need? The first step is to establish a regular sleep schedule. Consistency is key. Next, create a relaxing bedtime routine. This could be reading a book, listening to soothing music, or practicing relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation. Optimizing your sleep environment is also crucial. Keep your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Think of it as creating your own personal sleep sanctuary. Limit screen time before bed, as the blue light emitted by electronic devices can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals late in the day, as they can disrupt your sleep. And finally, if you're struggling with sleep on a regular basis, seek help from a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance and treatment options to improve your sleep. Remember, prioritizing sleep isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for overall health and well-being. To recap, we've explored the stages of sleep, the effects of sleep deprivation on health, and tips for improving sleep hygiene. Prioritizing sleep and good sleep hygiene can significantly improve overall health and well-being. Thank you for joining this exploration of the science of sleep and its impact on health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, sleep well and take care.